that are new to my channel, I'm Jenny420 and I have my partner here, Blogger 2 times. What day is it today, babe?
It's her birthday.
Today I turned 28, guys. I feel a little old, but I know that I'm not old yet, but I'm almost there. Where are you taking me, babe?
We got this fancy brunch reservation. It's like on the 100th floor in Hollywood. It's gonna be lit.
Lit. You were supposed to say
but we're late for the reservation.
Babe,
what?
You were supposed to say wait till we get there. I just found out that they had something planned for me later on, like my whole family. What were you guys gonna do, babe?
Just we're gonna decorate her mom's house, and
yeah, they were gonna
get her a cake and stuff.
But sadly,
let me dry.
all the little kids got sick and they couldn't, you know, we're trying to not get sick, so we're trying to avoid that.
Which sucks, but we'll figure it out. We're gonna do something, but it sucks because like it was like a pass. Now I have to put something together like fast. But we got it.
Say what?
Hi.
In this building.
Parking right here behind us. Just parked there, no?
Ew. Said it's right here in this building. Dream. Cheers,
so
guys.
Something to catch up.
We're gonna do a toast.
I can't even cheer with her.
For
her? You're her? What?
I said for. It's I can't even talk.
Let's do a toast. You make the toast. We toast to Jenny hitting
28.
No, let's. Yeah, that too.
For hitting one.
Then do another toast. We do mini toast and another toast.
Okay. This is for my 28th birthday, guys.
You have to take a big gulp so you can catch up. These are not glass, right?
It tastes pretty good. I just like that sweetness.
Because it's champagne, that's why. You're not used to fancy, you know what I'm saying? Hey.
Happy birthday, Mom. I love you, and hope you enjoy many other years, and just enjoy life. I wish you a happy birthday.
And what else?
I love you and I wish I was there.
Oh, my baby.
Yeah.
And it's all on my mask.
Yeah, that's what you got, Andrew?
Yeah.
Put the fries in the middle right there so you guys can both share them. Hey, that's alfalfa sprouts.
Oh.
This time right here?
Yeah.
It's certified butter.
You didn't put the camera on me and you didn't ask me to tell you something. I was going to tell you that I wish that today's going to be a better birthday that you've ever had. And then you're going to have better birthdays.
The video is beauty.
Like that, huh, Jay? You got Jenny's car down there? Oh, be good.
Right.
Dad, where's the museum at?
It's like down the street, actually, not that far.
Wait for her.
Yeah. Damn, boy.
Dizzy, Mom.
Yeah, put it right here, my love. On top of the.
Is this a girl's restroom or all?
This is a whoever's restroom.
This is a family restroom. Jay, I dare you to put the window down and say, can I get a higher?
Can I get a higher?
That kid is crazy, bro. That's the ballsiest kid we've had.
Hey, seriously, this one's like, no, don't do it. So we just got here to the wax museum in Hollywood. I always wanted to do this, but I don't know why we never done it. Why, babe?
You didn't have to pay for, baby.
No, it's not that. That's not.
Yeah, it's only like 20 bucks.
Yeah, it's like 20 bucks.
We just never did it.
I don't know. Yeah, I always wanted to come to the wax museum, but Brian would say, "It's boring." My dad was.
I honestly don't think I've ever said that it's boring.
I always told him that I wanted to come to the wax museum. He never brought me. So
That's it.
being with me since day one. I got you, motherfuckers. Give it up for 2420.
Marilyn Monroe. Look, it's Hitchcock. Young Elvis? Elvis. That's Elvis. So why do you hold his hand?
Make a silly face. Oh, wait, you can't.
This guy is saying that story.
You want to?
Really?
Nothing attached to my hand.
Yeah, he got it all started.
Cool water here. Oh, look at the goat.
It's Ali!
I didn't even put lip gloss today.
Mommy, this is your lip gloss for now.
Guys, so I just got to my mom's house. I don't know, Stephanie told me that she got me something, so she wants me to come to my mom's house to get it. So she's calling me, guys.
Pero na mañanitas.
Ahora sí ya.
That looks pretty cool.
Happy birthday, mi madre. Look at what I have. What? Oh, the plants? How am I gonna take this home? Huh?
Baby, ya yo me enteré, se nota cuando me ve. Ahí donde no has llegado, sabes que yo te llevaré. Y dime qué quieres beber, es que tú eres mi bebé. Y de nosotros, ¿quién va a hablar si no nos dejamos ver?
Guys, so we just got home. I guess Brian doesn't want to say it, but he has a surprise for me. So I'm gonna go in the room right now.
Excuse me, like a mini surprise.
Who has
Some
a
light.
surprise?
It's a summer light.
Oh my God, babe! Babe! Babe, what did you do? We're gonna live on the streets. We don't pay rent. Babe, what is this? Oh my God.
She got us some gifts, some light.
Babe, this looks so cute. Thank you, babe. Babe, what the heck, babe? I don't even want to touch that. What's wrong with you?
Some light.
It's a light, it's a light.
Some light.
It's a light.
Can I get a? Oh,
How do I pass through that?
Can I get a
Oh, dang it. But I didn't get her the balloons. Her sister got her the balloons.
Yeah, my sister got me the balloons.
But it makes it look nicer.
It does. Oh my God, babe. I don't even know where to start. Do I open them now?
Well, it's up to you.
Babe, you got me a fucking mirror?
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back. No kids.
Yeah, baby.
Just
My
me.
kind of night.
Just him and I. And you know the red lipstick goes on. So I don't know where he's bringing me after giving me all those freaking gifts.
Quad pay, baby. I got a deal with Quad pay, you know what I'm saying? I think motherfucker on Quad pay too, man. Let's go. You already heard about Quad pay? Make sure you download the app. Use my code. Log it 2 times.
He's lying, guys. So yeah, babe.
So this is one of the last stops where we're gonna go.
Yeah, no kids.
Hey, you can't see, bro.
Oh.
Come on, sugar bear. this will be the last stop. After this, we'll try to catch a bite.
A what?
A bite, something to eat.
I thought that's what we're doing here.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. You dig the vibes.
Where are you bringing me, babe? Where are we going, babe? Why are we in the airport? Are we taking off?
You ever been on an airplane before?
Never.
Me either, dude. I'm kind of scared.
Where are we coming, babe?
I rented a little jet, you know what I'm saying?
No, where are we going? Seriously.
We rented a little jet. Get a shot of that. After we get on the jet.
You're playing?
Nigga, I don't play.
Are you being serious, babe?
Yeah.
Babe, stop playing.
I'm not.
Babe.
I'm fucking scared, dog. We might have to park on the street. Or is it right here? Is it here?
No, you fucking didn't.
Yeah, I did, bro.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, bro. Best birthday ever? One of the best birthdays ever?
No, you didn't, babe. Babe, are you fucking serious right now?
Yeah, bro. Come on, let me go see if I can park right here. Where's the mask? Where's the mask? Talk to your people about it. I'll be back. There's the real deal right here. Be back.
Oh my god, my heart. My heart, guys. I feel like I need to pee. He's literally taking me on a helicopter, guys. I can't fucking believe this shit. Like, I don't even know what to say. I've never gotten on an airplane. What the fuck is he doing?
Alright, so how do you feel?
I'm nervous.
Oh my gosh. Yeah?
I'm shitting bricks. Guys, I'm scared of heights.
He said that takeoff is like a roller coaster,
Yeah.
and you don't like roller coasters. And she doesn't like heights either. Ooh. That's the chopper coming back. We'll catch you guys when we're about to board.
No more walking.
Birthday.
Thank you.
My birthday is on the 14th.
Yours?
Yeah.
So you're a Leo, huh?
Yeah. Three birthdays today.
Oh, today you guys did two.
My last 3 tours were all birthdays.
Oh, sweet.
Like 2 today, and then 1 yesterday. I have like 5 of my friends that have birthdays.
That'd be awesome. Is this recording? You can record whatever you want.
Oh, okay, I'll keep the video going then.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, I can take the phone. Ready? More. Compose. Let me see what you got.
Oh, you took one straight from like that?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Thank you so much.
All right,
Cool.
David's gonna give you guys a safety briefing before we get going.
Okay.
All right, so this is the helicopter here.
First, we'll just show you how to use the doors and how to get in. So basically, step in. Be careful of the door; it's very fragile. Don't hang on it. You can either put your hand over here or on this bar. Put your left foot in first. Put your head, slide in. That's it. Just be careful not to put your foot on this fairing here.
Okay.
That can get damaged easily. Once we're inside, I'll just show you quickly how the door locks and unlocks. So when you close the door, push it back and down to lock.
Okay.
And to open up and forward. There is this thing like you have in the car. This thing will keep it locked. So in case of an emergency, if we need to get out, check if this is open.
Say that one more time.
You know how
In case we get to JP. Can you show me how to close it again? No.
to close it, I'll do it for you.
Oh, okay, great.
All you want to know really is how to open it.
Okay.
So this would be closed like that. So you're gonna lift it up, push it forward, and then if you do need to get out, make sure you head towards the front, because towards the back there's that thing, spins really fast, and yeah, it can hurt.
Okay, you got it.
Get your finger there or something. Something worse than a finger.
No, definitely. What did you think about it, bro?
It was a good experience. I'm still nervous.
Hey, yo. Me too.
I know
But
you're
you
trying to be tough for me.
You would think it's regular, right? But
I was tense the whole time.
like, yeah, me too. It's not really like.
And then when he was going like this with the.
Oh yeah, because he has to do sharp turns. It was like. You can feel it.
Oh.
I was about to get one of those with that. You know, we at the airport shooting a music video, baby. It was, bro. I was like, almost like my butt was like the whole time.
Oh.
Bro, like, you're in the hands of good people, but like, you still have that thought in the back of your hand. What about it?
And guys, so we're back alive in the car. You're amazing, babe. Thank you.
Happy birthday, babe. The food's here. I forgot to turn on the camera, so I haven't finished all the fries.
Yeah, I got a bacon burger with some seasoned fries.
Seasoned fries. I got a bacon burger with egg. Ooh, fire.
So we ended up at Denny's, guys. We went to this restaurant in downtown after we got off the helicopter, and when we got there, we didn't really like how the food was, or we didn't think we were gonna like it, right, babe?
Yeah.
We didn't think we were gonna like it.
And we were on a wait time. They said it was 30 or 45 minutes.
Yeah, 30 or 45 minutes to wait. And then we tried another restaurant that was across, but they were closed. And then when we searched around downtown, like what restaurants to eat, a lot of them were closed already. So Denny's was our shop. Thank you, babe.
I'm glad you enjoyed yourself.
He honestly made it special for me, guys. He did. I was lost for words.
You were speechless?
Yeah, I was speechless.
That's it, right?
Thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Hey yo, oh my god, wrong channel.
And turn on your post notifications, and we'll see you on our next video. Peace.